up? So we are checking in with Eullair hair, and we have a 26-inch 13x4 lace wig. This lace wig was pre-highlighted and I did bleach knots. The knots do not come bleached. As you can see, you have a good amount of parting space for the middle part, but for this wig, this is one of those wigs where you have to finesse the side part if you were going to, but luckily I just did a middle part for this style. Now I am using the FRONTAL skin guard, and then I'm using the Ghost Bond for my lace glue today. Also, we're doing 3 layers of this Ghost Bond, nothing new, just the same technique that I normally use. Okay guys, so now that we cut the remainder of the lace off, I'm just going back and putting lace glue on the places that I missed. When I did put my glue on my head, most times I like to just put it on close to my hairline as possible, and if I have to go back and add glue, then I'll do it that way. I just like that better because I feel like I'd rather go back and add glue than have to try to take glue off, because I put glue in places where they really wasn't supposed to be, where there's no lace. So I just like going back a little better. So now I'm just going to start styling my hair and doing the baby hairs and stuff, and I'll come back to you guys with my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, so this is what I came out with for this hairstyle. It's just like a cute little something straight back with my two little bangs going. And I just wanted to do something simple, something cute. I really wanted to wear my hair straight, and I wanted to wear the middle part because I barely even do that. So yeah, that's why I did that. I feel like this came out really cute. Obviously, I didn't really have to do much with this hair because the hair is pre-colored. Everything's already done for you except for I did bleach the knots, and bleaching the knots was easy, and you can kind of be carefree with bleaching the knots because this hair is already bleached in all these other areas. So that's another good thing too. So I would recommend this wig for beginners. Eullair has like another slay. Eullair, you guys already know I work with Eullair a lot, and I rarely have any complaints with their hair. This hair is very beautiful. The highlights and everything are super duper cute, and I really love them so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girls' YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed.